Right folks, this is David Selko for Dave's Water-Fed Pole channel. This is an SLX 35 pole that I got for doing high stuff. Now what I've done is I've modified it slightly. The main thing that I've done is just put a small length of pipe here on the bottom. The reason for that is we used to have valves on them and you end up with a bunch at the bottom and a load of pole hose coming out. So I've put that on there, just a short length. The idea being, this also gets an advantage because I don't have to use this as an SLX 35. I can choose, for instance, 1, 2, 3, 4 is to the 18 that I normally do. Just slide it out, leave that in the van, and now I've got an SLX 18. I'll show you how it works. Now you have to get enough hose out because this hose is going to go up the pole when you extend it, okay? So connect it to the bottom. Pretty self-explanatory, not really rocket science, is it? Now at the moment I have to be careful not to damage this, and when you're pulling it through you can't pull it straight away because it will pull the connector off. So you let yourself go and you just kind of just let it, and once it's gone, that's it, you're off. So you can extend the pole, making sure you've got enough behind you here to go up the pole, which you wouldn't normally have to do that if you had a pole hose, etc. So you've got that sorted. Now you noticed on the top there I've got the aqua tap. It's quite simple, isn't it? Twist, you can do this all with those brushes and on. Okay, straight down. Right, let's just have a look what we've got. On the top here I've got one of the super light brushes, which are half the weight, literally half the weight to the normal gardener super lights. That's brilliant. I find that they've got less bristles. People say they'll wear out more, maybe they will, but it really does fetch out fly nests in the corner and gets into the corners. I like it very much. We've got the aqua tap. You need the aqua tap because you can't put a valve on with this method that I'm using at the moment. So if I wanted to go to a higher pole, it's quite simple, isn't it? You just disconnect, take the rest of the pole, connect it through. Just have to wriggle it a bit till it comes out the end. Connect this, and within less than a minute you've got yourself to go for a 35 whatever. Now I can take out whatever sections I wish very, very quickly, and I'm finding that the aqua tap is good. It's very good. Yes, people have said they've had issues with it turning on and off, etc. It does. If you push on a certain side, let me remember now. Yes, the left hand side turns it on, sorry, the right hand side turns it on, the left hand side turns it off. So therefore when you've turned it on your right hand side and you're going like this, if you tend to go like that on your left, you're going to turn it off slightly. But having said that, does that really matter when you're scrubbing? You know, you put some more, you can scrub with less water, which is one of the ideas of it. You can scrub with less, then turn it up to rinse. Of course, at this level it's easy to do. At the level I've got, when you're getting higher, it's not quite as easy. And I do find that the aqua tap is not as easy the higher you get. I've had this at 35 feet at the full length, and it's not been very easy to do. So you're at the top, twist it on, you can twist it a little bit, turn the valve, turn the water down while you scrub, to the top, and lock it up again. we've got them. It's done. Okay. No complaints about to the left. To the left, to the left. See, this has got no issues whatsoever. Just remember to keep twisting to your right on your pole. Just keep twisting it like that. Slightly. Because if you push on the left hand side of the pole, you're going to knock it off, and I think that's probably what happens. Absolutely no problems. But as I say, this is a good one, and if you've got one that's loose, then yes, it's got to turn itself off. There you see, I just turned it a little bit and sort of slowed down, let's put it that way. Well, there we go. One SLX 35, one SLX 20, one 22 or whatever, one SLX 18, one SLX whatever size I want. Fitted there. I like that very much. I'm going to try one of those Aquadaptor covers on there. I think that might make it slide into here a lot easier. But I'll get round to doing those. This, to me, I've got a SLX with an ordinary brush on and the foam. I don't use it. I keep thinking I wasted my money. Never mind. So that's David Salco for Dave's Water Fed Pole, and whoever else wants to. Thank you very much.